This is a 2007 GMC Envoy. This SUV has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 4.2-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, cornering lights, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, 17-inch wheels, dusk-sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Ray Seraphin Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 100 Windsor Avenue in Rockville.